inside?
Who thinks
Tinkerbells.
what a big chick?
A big chick?
Yeah. That's crazy.
That's crazy. What else is in there?
I guess this one is for Mommy.
I don't know. I think the Easter Bunny left everything for you.
Yeah, I think so.
That's Mom.
Is that Mommy's?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll bet there's a chicken in there. I'll bet there's a chicken in there.
Think there's a chicken in the egg?
I think there's a chicken in the egg.
Wow.
You better find out. All right, let's see what else you got.
It's so good.
Okay. Well, we'll try that out later.
Hey, Olivia. Look. Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you.
What a lot of nice stuff, huh?
You didn't take any.